Hey, this is Russ. I was thinking back about some of the cases that I worked on when I was back in San Diego years and years ago, working for the San Diego District Attorney's Office. And one thing popped into mind. It was a case that we had to videotape. A coworker and I were assigned to videotape this preliminary hearing for, I believe it was a murder trial coming up. And so, because the courts are so jam-packed with things going on, they had to share the courtroom with traffic court. So we arrived early, and we have to set up everything before the prelim starts. And so the judge who was working the traffic cases saw us coming in, and so she knew that she needed to speed it up a little bit because she had to relinquish that courtroom. So there's not much we could do, so we just kind of sat back and listened to some of the court cases for traffic. So as we're running out of time, the judge calls her final case. She says this will be the final one we're going to do for today because we need to move along. And so the police officer who was there presents the case about the lady who was speeding. And so when he gets done, then it's up to the defendant to tell about her side of the case. So the lady gets up and she says this, Your Honor, I was in my car and so I was coming up to the and she falls over. So my coworker and I kind of look at each other. We do one of these things. Really? So nobody really knows what to do, so everyone just kind of sits there and waits for the judge to make a decision what to do. So the judge stands up and he asks if she's okay. She's still coughing away and she's on the ground and everything. And so her friend stands up, says, Your Honor, can I speak? My friend gets these panic attacks when she gets excited. And if you just give her a little bit of time, I'm sure she'll be fine. There's no need to call a doctor or paramedic. That's a hint right there, right? I would tend to think that friend, if this was the case, might say you need to call somebody. So the judge says, Are you sure she'll be okay? Yes, I'm sure she'll be okay, Your Honor. Just give her a little bit of time. Of course, we don't have time. We're running out of time. So what do you think the judge does? Well, if it's okay with everyone, I'm just going to dismiss this case. And of course, immediately, the lady recovers. It's a miracle. I don't know if she's an actor or what. She should be winning an Academy Award. So my coworker and I just kind of look at each other and we do one of these. Really? And as they file out of the courtroom, the police officer kind of looks at us and says, Yep. Sometimes things happen in court you just can't believe. Anyways, if you like the story, go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and definitely hit the bell icon so you know when new videos from me come out. We'll talk more about other cases, but this one was kind of fun. I'll talk to you guys next time.